I've done this before, but let's do it again. Best microphone for your GoPro or your camera. Here we go. Hi and welcome to today's show. Now I've done this video before, but I've had requests to do it a different way, and I'm going to introduce some other key aspects as well. So basically, we're going to have a look at the audio comparison of a couple of microphones versus the GoPro camera itself. So this is the audio recorded on the GoPro. We're going to put it up against the Boya BY MM1. I'll put links below where you can get these from for the best price. And then we're going to put that against the Trackstar, I don't know how you pronounce it, SGC598. This is a very popular microphone, very, very popular. And if I'm honest with you, on my last few videos, I've been using it, so I do actually quite like it. And I've also got a Boya BY M1. Now this is the kind of clip-on microphone, so this is going to give different sounds again than this. So my distance here is about 6 foot, so that's what you can hear. But what I want to do this time, which I've not done, is add another aspect. Now I don't know if you've seen one of these before. This is an Anker Soundcore. This is possibly one of the best budget Bluetooth speakers you can buy out at the market. The battery life is fantastic, the sound is fantastic. Value for money wise, this is an unbeatable bit of kit, and I don't know why I haven't done a proper review of this. So that's a bit of a shocker for me, but I haven't done a proper review of this. But I'm going to give you some sound tests now. So this is a sound test with the GoPro built-in microphones. I'm approximately 6 feet away, speaking at kind of room temperature. Room temperature? Speaking at room level, normal conversation. So this is me whispering on the GoPro. And this is me shouting on the GoPro. And the new test is adding music. Take it away, maestro. So there we go. So there's all the different levels. So now we're going to switch over to, what should we go for first? Let's try the Boya out. So now we're recording on the Boya. So this is kind of normal kind of speaking volume. Now I'm whispering on the Boya. And now I'm shouting on the Boya. So let's see what it sounds like with the music this time. Same track, same everything. Volume's the same, nothing's changed. So there we go. So that's the Boya. So what's up next? We've got the Trackstar. I don't remember how to pronounce this. Trackstar. And also, just out of interest, Trackstar does come with a cover that kind of keeps the wind out. And the Boya also comes with a dead cat as well. This is really good. Next up, let's go. So now we're on the Trackstar one. Now, there's a difference between all these microphones, and they all have pros and all have different cons. You'll hear from the different sound qualities to how each one sounds differently. The problem with this particular microphone is it's quite long, so if it's on like a GoPro setup and it's kind of like mounted on the GoPro, you do have to crop in just to avoid seeing this thing here, which is just above my head, which hopefully I've cropped out and you won't be able to see. So this is me speaking at a normal, low kind of volume. And this is me whispering. And this is me shouting! And now we're gonna do the music. Everything's the same, no volume changes, all the same. I wonder how much difference this all sounds. They're quite good making these kind of videos because I never really know how it's going to come or sound or whatever's going to happen. And sometimes you're shocked by the results because you're thinking you're going to get one kind of sound and you don't get that kind of sound. So it is kind of strange, but this is fun. What's next though? Hiya. So you're probably thinking, I couldn't hear anything there, and you'd be quite right. I tried it again, and it still didn't work. I have had this thing working, so it did work. But for some reason why it's not working now, I don't know. I've checked the battery, I've checked everything. I'll tell you what, I've actually never used it with the GoPro, actually. So whether, well, I don't know. But what I do know is, when I'm out there recording, taking videos, speaking, whatever, sometimes there just isn't that chance for a second shot. So if the audio fails, it can be an absolute nightmare. So this is recorded on the GoPro audio, by the way, and I would have to say that one's out of the mix. I can't take chances when I'm filming. Sorry, but I just can't take chances. And there we go, back to using the internal GoPro microphone. Now, I make these videos, I can't listen to it all until I've processed it all, so really you will be the judges of which one sounded best. So leave in the comments below which one you thought was best. I'll put the links to the prices and all the things you need to know, and we'll see. If I was going to buy one, from what I've used so far, probably the Boya MM1. The Takstar one definitely probably sounds a little bit better, truth be told. But it's very long and it kind of got in the shots. And this dead cat really gets in the shots, and then when you don't use the dead cat, you kind of get like every single bit of wind you've ever heard in your entire life. So it's kind of a playoff, but probably this one because it's smaller and more compact and fits well with my gear. I dare say you could just get rid of that and make some kind of a smaller dead cat, and then you'd have like a perfect kind of vlogging, blogging setup, because I think the sound does sound better than this normal GoPro sound. But once again, I don't know. This is the beauty of making all these videos. Only you guys can decide which is best. So I look forward to read the comments, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out all the products and check out these Anker Soundcore. Fantastic. Well, there we go. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.